Hey second grade, today we're on page 262 in the Your Turn workbook, so just take a minute, make sure you're on the same page as me. We're going to be practicing reading words with silent E, with vowel consonant E patterns today. Alright, so just a quick review. Vowel blank E or silent E just means that we'll have one of the vowels like A, E, I, O, or U, then a blank, any letter can go there, and then an E. And remember, the E is going to make that letter say its name. So if you have A blank E, the A is going to say A. The E will say E, the I will say I, O will say O, and U will say U. Let's try a few for practice. This word by itself says not, but if you add an E, it's going to make the O say O. So the word is note. This word is bat. What is it if we add an E to the end? The E is going to make the A say A, so the word is bait. This word is cut, but with a silent E, the U says U, so the word is cute. Last, this word is sit, but if we put an E on the end, it's going to make the I say I, so the word is sight. Okay. Let's read the directions in this top box. It says, a syllable that has the vowel consonant E pattern often has the long vowel sound. In the word excite, the syllable sight has the long I sound. See, because there's I blank E. So it says I-ite, like excite. Part A. Circle 4 words in the box that have a vowel consonant E syllable. Then write the syllable in each circled word. Okay, so we're going to look for anything that has a vowel blank E. I'm going to put V blank E. Then we're going to clap it, break it in half, and put one part on each line. We've got this. All right, let's read the first word. Compete. Do you see vowel blank E? I do. I see E blank E. Let's clap it. Compete. All right, that's where we'll break it apart. So we're going to write com on the first line, Pete on the next line. Pete. It's a 2-clap word. It has 2 syllables or 2 claps. All right, let's read the next word together. Next word is tiger. Let's clap it. Tiger. Now this one, they're trying to trick you because the first part of the word is tie and the next part is ger. So even though there's I blank E, we need to find words that have all of it on one side of the line. Okay, see how compete, Pete has E blank E? Well, if we just look at this half, there's only I, and this half has only E, so it doesn't count. Not I blank E. So that one is no. All right, let's look at the next word. Replace. Let's clap it. Replace. Okay, I'm going to break it right there after re. And let's see, there's A blank E. So we have vowel blank E right there. We can write replace for number 2. First part is re, next part is place. Replace. 2 claps. Number 3, zebra. Let's clap it. Zebra. Oops, my E disappeared. All right, so zebra, first part was Z, next part bra. And is there A blank E? No, that one doesn't fit, so we can't use zebra. Let's read the next word. Arrive. Let's clap it. Arrive. Okay, I'm going to break it apart here. Do you see vowel blank E? Yes, we have I blank E. We can write arrive for number 3. We're going to break it between the double R's. Arrive. Arrive. We found a word with I blank E. Arrive. All right, last word. Let's see if it fits. Pollute. Let's clap it. Pollute. All right, break it between the 2 L's. Pollute. And I see an E. Is there a vowel blank E? Yep, there's the vowel blank E. We can use pollute. So break it between the 2 L's and let's write it for number 4. Pollute. It has 2 claps, 2 parts. All right, take a minute and make sure you have all 4 of your words written down. All right, and then we'll go on to the next part. We're going to read this box first together. A prefix is added to the beginning of a word. A suffix is added to the end of a word. Prefixes like re means again. Un and dis mean not or the opposite of. Now here's some suffixes. Full means full of. Less means without. So you start with a smaller word and you would add a prefix or suffix to it. Like you might do some work, but if you have to do it again, then you would redo it. So we added re to the word to mean again, do again. Okay? I could start with a word like happy, and then if I wanted to change it to mean not happy, I would use un. Unhappy. Or I might add something to the end of a word, like I could start with, if you are always helping, then you are full of help. So I could add full to the end to make helpful. All right, let's do part B together. Let's read the directions, then we're done. Read each clue. Write a word with a prefix or a suffix to match each clue. So number 5 is full of joy. All right, look up at the top. Do you see full? What does it mean? Full of. Full goes with it. So the word is joyful. So we're making a word that means full of joy. Joyful means full of joy. Okay, and we used full to make joyful. Joyful. Let's look at number 6. Not wise. Do you see any prefixes that mean not? We can use un to make unwise. Unwise means not wise. Unwise. right, number 7, without fear. Which of these suffixes means without? Less means without. So we can use less. We can say fearless means without fear. You don't have any fear if you're fearless. You don't have any fear. Right? Number 8, to visit again. Do you see a word part that means again? Means again. You could revisit. If you visit something again, you revisit. You visit again. Means again. Revisit. Right, last one. The opposite of approve. Which one means the opposite of? Dis means the opposite of. We can use dis. So let's say disapprove. If you disapprove, you don't approve. You don't like it. You don't agree. Disapprove. So I highlighted all of the prefixes and suffixes we used today. All of the parts in yellow are the little prefixes or suffixes that we added to our words. All right, take a minute and make sure you have all of your words filled in. That's all for this page. Nice work, 2nd grade. Today we worked on vowel blank E words and adding prefixes and suffixes to words. You're all set.